Hello everyone, welcome back to my video in YouTube, Angga Risky. And today, we want to learn how to design the user interface for the travel packet application. So basically, this is application that help you to choose any flight and any travel package that you can choose for holiday or vacation. Okay, but first of all, I have provided several icons as the navigation and several images as the content. Okay, so in this case, we are using the Adobe XD with the iPhone 5 or SE. Okay, and first of all, I want to change the name of artboard. This is Explore. Okay, and after that, I want to put some image here, but first of all, you prepare the rectangle first and just use random color as the placeholder. Okay, so this is the design assets. So you have to go back to the layer by click here and select this rectangle and group it as the background. Okay, and then you select rectangle, you open desktop, and you can find the suitable image for the design. I think that I can start with this one. Okay, cool. And after that, I just want to duplicate by Command D and going to fill color to change to the linear gradient. So the first color have to be blue like this. And then you can copy the hex code and you can also save the color here. And then you select the second color and move to the purple like this. Okay, looks cool and you can save it. Nice. So in this design, this is for the overlay. So I think that I want to reduce the opacity about 80. Yeah, it's nice. Don't forget to save your document trifle. Okay. You might wondering why I do design a lot of travel application previously or lately because I want to travel but I don't have time yet. Okay, so let's continue. So here I will create a title as a discover. Okay, with the font type is Montserrat and this is regular. The color is white. Okay, so then after that I'm gonna duplicate this layer and just change it to the location. Maybe Sydney, Australia. Okay, and the font type is medium. With the font size, it's different. It's bigger, I think. Okay, nice. And setting the margin is 4 like this. Now you are able to group it. Okay, margin top is 30, margin left is 16. Okay, nice. And I think, yeah, I think I have to select this background and change the opacity to the 100. But in the first color, you are able to change the opacity like this. Okay. Of course, it's different. So we don't want to get any opacity here. So that's why we have to move like this. Okay, nice. So in the below, we are focusing on the color. But here is like the header. Look nice, right? Okay. And now I wanna create the navigation, the text navigation. Okay. So just get started with the text here. This is the featured and probably smaller like this. And we can put here the margin top have to be about 50 and duplicate this and change it to become maybe a news, but it have to be like this, and change the opacity to 50. Oops, you have to like this. Okay, and I think have to be regular. Okay, awesome. Just duplicate again and get the margin left is 20, and this is you can use recommended or you can friends. Okay, nice. And below of feature we have to design the condition or statement, means that currently we are in the featured page. So here we just draw some line like this. Okay, 2 pixel and of course white color. Okay, look nice. Okay, so this is for the header, right? And after that, oh wait, I think we can, oh, we're not able to make it smooth, but it's okay. And after that, I want to group all of them first. This is tabs and this is location. So then after that we can design the section that offer user to the packet trifle. Okay, just use this rectangle and put like this. Okay, height about 170 and width 140. Okay, so this is we group as the item, and don't forget to use the border radius about egg and don't use border, and get the shadow. Wow, cool. Okay, and then after that I wanna duplicate this but just remove the shadow and change the color to any color as the placeholder. Okay, and then after that I just want to replace this section with the picture, but first of all we're gonna mask it, just a mask. Where is this for masking? Oh, sorry, I think that I just select this and then you select this. This is for the left and this is for the right. Okay, so then after that you just replace with the picture. Ta-da! Nice. And we need text here, of course, so just type here. Don't forget to change the color 4A, 4A, and 4A, and you can write the place, maybe Grand Canyon. Grand Canyon. Okay, I think 4A, 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 and just plus here. So the font size have to be small. Okay, just give the margin and like this. I think this is 16, 10, and just duplicate. This is for the price. Have to be smallest, and use the color 1 ABC9C and save. Yeah, I remember the source code, the hex code actually. Okay, so after that I think the radius is too big. I think we will decrease by 4, and this is 4 and this is 4. Nice. And after that setting the margin top is about 16 like this. Okay, and you just need to copy and paste this design. Okay, like this, and I think have to be maybe egg, and copy and paste again, and X. Okay, so just need to change these images, books, and change again. Oops, I think with different design. Alright, and you can also change this name to the waterproof. Yeah, and also for the price. Okay, looks nice. And yeah, I think I want to put some icon as the navigation here. So we just need to drag and drop to here. Oh, no. I think that what's redo. Okay. Just undo and copy paste and just put here. And you're gonna make it small, probably 26. Okay, and you have to move it to the bottom as the navigation. Okay, so number one is this flag. So the margin bottom is 20. Okay, just move to the 20 and 20 and here. So we have to decide the margin. Okay, and currently we are active on this menu, so perhaps the others you have to decrease the opacity like this. Okay, nice, cool. Now we just want to copy this and move here, and I think that I have to move this design 20. Okay, okay. White, just move this design again 16, and this is have to be like, no 16. Okay, now we just want to select this rectangle and make like this. Have to be 2 egg. Okay, cool. And also this picture like this. And this is for the feature, maybe that you can use other picture, but I don't have yet, so I think I can use this picture. Okay, looks cool, nice. So you can preview here like this. Okay, so this is how can easily to designing for the home pages for mobile apps for the travel. And I hope it was useful for you. Nice to meet you from Indonesia. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. And I want to know, is there someone still use Adobe XD instead of Sketch app? Please let me know if you are using Adobe XD, because I think that we will do some videos of Adobe XD later on. Okay, so goodbye.